Well, currently I am filming this with a GoPro Hero 4, and I'm hoping you can hear me all right on this. I'm using a external microphone, which I'll show you simply plugs into the side of the GoPro, and I wear it on my lapel. I now have a GoPro 9, and this has built in a total of 3 microphones as best I could tell. There's here, and we're right here, which is called a drain, a microphone drain, are where the microphones are. And what I noticed is that when I do filming, I almost always do it from the side, and you're not able to hear, or it sounds faded or out of range. So I have purchased a Media Mod for my GoPro 9 that will slip over. So anyway, we're going to install a Media Mod on this GoPro 9, and that'll give me a chance to let you hear the difference. Right now is GoPro Hero 4 with microphone, and in a second I'm going to take the microphone out, and then we'll install the mod. This is the GoPro Hero 4 without an external microphone. I don't know how well you can hear, but we'll see. And this is the external microphone I have that I purchased on Amazon about a year ago. I think it was $6. So there was not a lot of expense into it, and you could see here the connector that just goes on to the side where you also plug in the power. You don't have such a thing on the 9. I have switched cameras, and instead of the, I was using my GoPro Hero 4, I am now using the GoPro 9 Black. And so I want you to listen to the sound here, see what you could tell. We've done the 4, you've heard the 4 with and without the external microphone. And the 9 has 2 microphones in it, I've now seen, and one of them is on the top and one of them is in the front. I'm actually talking from the left rear of the camera, so I'm not sure what it's going to sound like, but I'll know that soon when I edit this. So I have my Media Mod, and you can see it's the Media Mod for the GoPro Hero 9, and there's a little decal here that tells you it is also for the 10. You could see here in the picture, it has a built-in directional mic with wind suppression, but I actually think the direction is either front or back. Well, I'll have to check that out, and I'll let you listen to it, of course. There's a 3.5 millimeter microphone port, and I may use that if I decide to go ahead and get an external microphone. There's an HDMI out, and it's a micro HDMI out. 2 cold shoe mounts and tough weather construction. So you can see there's a mount on the side, and there's the mount on the top that you could slide something into. So let's take a look. We'll open it up, and I don't think there's going to be much to see or talk about here, but since we always do a box opening, let's do it. Paperwork. Here's the limited lifetime warranty, and the user guide. So we'll take a look at that. And here's what's in the box. So here's the Media Mod here. This is it. And let's see what I'll take out first. Let's take this out first. So that's it. That's the Media Mod. And in a moment you'll see it with the GoPro 9. Here is the windscreen. And here's your cold shoe mount. One on the top, one on the side, and here's the on and off. Here's inside, I don't know if you could see here, there's a C mount, USB-C adapter right there. There is a thumb screw that comes with it. It's long, longer than what I've been using. I don't know if I would say it's long. So it's longer than what I've been using. And here's a mount. Includes a Media Mod, movable windscreen, vertical mounting buckle, and a thumb screw. So this is a vertical mounting buckle. Before I switch cameras, let me go ahead and show you this. So functions and features, it shows the removable windscreen. 2 is the microphone itself, which is here, the directional microphone. And you can see, you can't see, but there's a lot of holes in there, and also right there. Shutter button, which is on the top, number 3, and that's right here. And 4 is the cold shoe mount, which is up on the top, and I showed you that before, is right there. There's a mode button, which is number 5 on the side here. And in case you can't see it, so there's the on, off, and mode button. 6 is the HDMI port, and these are in the back here. So there's, I don't know if you could see these 3. So one is here's the HDMI port right here. And next is the C port, which is number 7. So there should be a C port right there, and there is. And number 8 is the external mic port, should be right here, and there it is, right there. And number 9 is the USB-C plug, which is right here, if you could see that, right in there. So let's see if we can put this together now. Currently I'm standing behind the camera on the rear, where the rear microphone would be, and on the back screen I can actually see the volume bars moving up and down. So in a second I'm going to sit closer to the front, which is the mic that's on. So testing 1, 2, 3 in the front, testing in the front, testing. And I could see again the volume bar, but it doesn't look like it's moving any differently. Testing, so perhaps all that's okay. So with you, we will see what sounds better and what doesn't sound better, and if we actually need an external mic. A couple of things to note. One is, I'm sure you know this already, but once I take off this end piece from the Hero 9 and use the Media Mod, it is not waterproof. So please remember that. It's important that it is not waterproof. And by the way, this is a heavy piece of metal. And number 2 is the thumb screw that you use to hook it. Once it does get screwed in, there's a notch in the Media Mod, but it's very, very hard to turn your fingers because it literally goes in here, and so it's hard to get your fingers to turn it. So I wish there was either something very long or much longer for just the Media Mod, though I think I understand why they tried to keep it the same size. So let's go see what it sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. I am in the process of editing right now the video, but I found a really old microphone. May not even work. The volume bar tells me it is working, and I'm going to see if an external microphone working on the Media Mod does a good job. So we'll check in a second, and you let me know what you think. I'm actually now speaking without an external microphone, just using the Media Mod. So let me go closer, closer, and closer, and see what that sounds like. Hello. I have made a final decision. Right now I'm using a wired mic, non-powered, with a 10-foot cord connected through the Media Mod. I think this is the way I will go for nice, quiet reviews for YouTube when I do them. When I'm away from the camera and moving around, I'll use the Media Mod microphones that are built in the front and or the back as required. I will not use the internal microphones on the GoPro 9. I'm happy with the Media Mod, and plugging in this external microphone was very easy. So I have purchased a lapel microphone, which should be here in a couple of days from Amazon. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video, though it's been all over the place. And as I said, the Media Mod looks like a great purchase. If you can get it on sale, even better. And it looks like from a sound standpoint, if you're able to use an external microphone, that would be good also. So good luck to you.